is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be trying out my cousin's obstacle course. So yeah, so let's get right into this. So he made this obstacle course like a bit ago, so yeah, we're gonna try it. Did you start the game? Oh, okay. No, you didn't. You didn't start the game yet. You did? Oh yeah? Oh, okay, you did. Because before that thing would turn invisible, I can see it. What the heck? Alright, guys, so, checkpoint, yay. What? How? It's so loud. That is just so annoying. Alright, guys. Ooh. Oh, are you freaking kidding me? It's so freaking loud. It's so annoying. Oh my god, I put it to like the lowest volume. Oh my fucking god. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna let them all chillax right now. Oh crap. Thank you, Dylan. Yes! Alright guys, I'm on the next checkpoint because Dylan helped me. Ooh, impulse grenades. I need more. Oh crap, I'm lagging. Okay. Alright, guys. Wait, what the fuck? What the hell? That is so dumb. Alright, so... Oh my freaking god. Oh my flipping god. Oh! Fuck your mom. That is dumb. Dylan! Oh crap. Why? Fine. I don't give a crap. Get more impulse grenades. You're seriously kidding me. I freaking hate impulse grenades. You could have put that speeding thing instead. How? Oh my god. How? 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 Oh yes, Daddy. Crap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, if I can't use my umbrella, I'd be jumping off the. How? Fuck you! Go fuck a dick! Oh my god. Why did you allow umbrella shit in the first place? You could have turned it off so I wouldn't start using it again. By turning it off. Oh my fucking god. kidding me? I died on a freaking edge. Fuck you. What the fuck? Oh my god! A kid was staring at me. Oh my god! Haha, idiots. Oh, eat me! That's what I was thinking of. So much it. It's all your fault, Dylan. It is all your fault. Oh, Mimi. Mimi. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh. Hey, it's not even fast. No, it's not, Dylan. See, look. You know what? Fuck you. Me. I am totally not gonna cheat. Fuck. This is dumb. It's not letting me jump. Well, you said no cheating. I'm so good. Okay. Cattle. I'm back. Hey, bitch, I'm back. Yeah. Okay. Yay! Go die. No, go die. Yeah, go die. Oh? What the fuck? Oh? What the fuck? You said you added 4 more stages. No, you didn't. No, they're punching me. Oh, fuck. Haha, idiots. This thing wouldn't trigger. Mamma mia, Romosana. How do you do that? Idiot. Mama. The fuck? Dylan, how did I not die? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh, nah. Why? That didn't want to trigger. Trigger, you bitch. Trigger, you bitch. Trigger, you bitch. Trigger, you bitch. Trigger. No, it wasn't. The fucking back one. It killed me. Suck you. It doesn't want to trigger. Mima. This game is infinite gay. Oh fuck! No! Go die. Go die. Yeah, bitch. It doesn't want to fucking trigger! Kibataji kabu, kabut baju. Kabushi. Oopsies. So what do I do here? Okay. You think I'm bad with hoverboards, Dylan? I won last time. This is so easy. Oh crap. Go back, go back. Oh, I lagged! I lagged! Oh my god. Okay. Crap! My head. It won't let me jump because my... Okay, jump. Why? Okay, jump. Do I hold, idiot? Oh yeah, I do hold. I held! Yay! Wee! Okay, seno. Tamoka seno. Oh, that's a ball. Give me the go. Kapucho. Kamatako. Get the ball. That was easy, Dylan. You suck. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Nani? Oh. Your maze is an idiot. With the fucking emoji. Dylan, I won. Yay. Oh. No. Why? Why did that thing come out? Oh. Yeah. Haha, Dylan, you died. I win. Oh yeah, motherfucker. Oh! Move. What the fuck? Why did it do that? Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. I'm on the first one. Oh, Dylan, you could have made me die. Yay! I win. Oh, fuck. Dylan. Fucking hate you. Melon. Oh! Yes! Ngamasing! Cable car. How? Dylan, you need to fix this game. Wee. Fine. I'll meet you. Alright, bitches. So, Majestical Dylan, or whatever his name is, just literally left his stupid world. I won, though. I went to the end, but fuck you, Dylan. I hope you don't see this video. Peace.